I don't know if the world is ready for cybersecurity stand-up, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Good evening. I work in cybersecurity. Yeah, you're not sure whether to feel sorry for me or to be slightly afraid. Cybersecurity is a strange profession. If everything works, people ask, why are we paying you so much? If something gets breached, they ask, how did you let this happen on your watch? It's like being a lifeguard. No one notices you until someone starts drowning. Every company says the same thing. Cybersecurity is our top priority. But in management language, top priority means emotionally important, financially optional. The moment that you ask for a budget, suddenly it's relax. Who would attack us? Like hacker says, nah, this company is not famous enough. Hacker doesn't care about your brand. They care about your unattached server from 2017 and your XP workstations. Password policy are beautiful. 12 characters, up character, low character, number, special characters, the blood of a unicorn. But when you walk on desk and see this on the screen, password 2004, exclamation mark, with the exclamation mark because security. My favorite excuse is I can't remember complete password, but the same person remembers 200 Pokemon's name and every Netflix password since the year 28. If they say humans are the weakest link, it's not accurate. Humans are not a link. Humans are the back door. A user calls to support says, I click a link, download the file, enter my password, but probably it's nothing, right? It's like saying, I got into a stranger car, drove for 2 hours. It's probably not a kidnap, right? Talk teams are amazing. It's like emergency room, but for logs, red alert, critical, high severity, everybody panics. 10 minutes after that, you find out that it was the admin trying to log in with a caps lock on. But nobody closed the alert. Because maybe, just maybe, caps lock it's a APT group now. Firewall are fascinating. Everyone think they are magic. If something doesn't work, it's probably the firewall. If something gets hacked, why did the firewall stop it? A firewall, it's like a security gate. But if it does its job perfectly, nobody notices. But if you make one mistake, everybody suddenly become an expert. I love pen testing tests. I love pen testing. You come in politely, you break things gently, and write a 40-page report. And then a client asks, what if a real hacker will read this report? They will not read this report, but they will throw everything that you decided was a low priority. At the end of the day, cybersecurity is a weird job. If you do it right, no one knows you exist. If you messed up once, there is a news article, an investigation, and a slide called Lesson Learned. So that's it. Thank you. If you like it, give us a like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.